Next work, we're going to go to draw number 277, the Silent Giant. It's time to enter the arena. We go to the opportunity now for Elaina McKinney and WRS Kool memories. No introduction needed. The opportunity. Flashback to last year's same show where they set this same arena on fire. Let's go now to Elaina McKinney WRS Kool memories. Yeah, let's go ahead and cook this recipe up. Oh, yeah, come on. Final turn and burn. And we're letting the dog out the bag.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs
14, 252, 14, 25, and 2. And just like that, it just felt like it was that time again to find what the Silent Giant had awaiting for the rest of us.